Hello friends, myself CA Ravi Jain and I am supporting CA Shweta Jain for the WIRC elections of 2021. And this video is to explain you some important informations about the election, voting process, polling booth, etc. So I will share my screen with you. So friends, remember what are the dates of election this year? 3rd and 4th December are the date of elections. When are the timing? Morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Where it happens? It happens at your nearest polling booth. And who are the eligible voter? The member who is member of ICI as on 1st April 2021 is eligible to vote. You can change your polling booth also if you want to change within the region of WIRC. You have to do it before 14 days prior intimation. And if you want to do any other area of anywhere in the India, you can do so with 21 days prior intimation to the election officer. The link has been given, the changebooth.ici.org, where you can go and give the informations to change your polling booth. Now, two things I will share. One, how the preferential system, voting system works and why it is important, and how the ballot paper looks like where you have to vote. Maybe many members who have already casted their vote would be knowing that, but there are many new members since every 3 years this election happens of ICI. Last election was happened in December 2018. Now, in last 3 years, many new CA members have joined the fraternity. So for their informations also, this video is important. So see friends, the ballot paper looks like this. For Western India Regional Council, there would be a number and photographs and the name of the candidates. We are supporting CA Shweta Jain. Her ballot serial number is 13 in this election of 3rd and 4th December 2021. So her photo would be there and her name would be there, CA Jain Shweta. And surname has happened before, printed before, and the name is after the surname. And there would be box where you have to give the first preference. You have to write 1 over there. Please remember, don't put any tick mark or cross on the box. You have to just write numbering of 1 to any number of preference you want. Generally, it is advisable that up to 10 preference are very much useful in Western India regional or regional council elections as well as the central council elections. So you have to give the number against your preferred choice of candidate. We are requesting first preference to be written in the box against CA Shweta Jain. Now I will explain you how the preferential system of voting work. So in this illustration, for a simplicity of calculation, we have assumed 108 votes have been given. In the WIRC region, there are more than 108,000 members. But for simplicity of calculation, we are assuming 108 voters who has casted their vote. And there are 10 candidates assumed A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 10 candidates are assumed. For example, voter serial number 1 has given first preference to candidate A, sixth preference to candidate B, second preference to candidate C, fifth preference to candidate D, and likewise all the preferences he has given to each candidate. Similarly, all the voters has given their choice of preference to each and every candidate. So this is the data entry of all the votes. Ballot paper will be physical and it will go for counting. So far in election, this is the manual process, very cumbersome and complicated process which goes for many days to counting and then final result has been declared. But we have tried to maintain this Excel sheet and some idea that how this can be digitized, and there can be software also easily can be developed by our leaders at Central Council who can take the initiatives and develop a software which can give the easy and transparent results for the elections. Now, after this data entry, the counting round will start. So this data is again plotted over here, and we have done the counting over here from against each candidate up to first to 10th preference. So candidate A got first preference vote are 16 votes he got. Candidate B got 3 votes, and likewise all the candidates got first preference vote in their favor. Now, who is the winning candidate? Out of this 10, we assume that there are 5 seats and 5 candidates will be there in the council committee. So how we will elect those 5 candidates and who 5 are not elected? For that, we count the quota first. What is the quota? Which is the number of votes divided by number of seats, which is the 5 seats we have assumed and plus 1. So number of votes we have assumed 108 divided by 5 plus 1 is 22.6. So quota is 22.6. Whoever candidate got the 22.6 votes will be elected winner. So in this first round, nobody got the 22.6, so nobody is elected. Now the elimination round starts. Elimination means the least candidate having least votes will be eliminated first. So in this, 3 votes are with B and 3 votes are with I. So both these candidates will be elected. So in the next sheet, we will calculate. This part of the calculation is still manual. I have kept. I have not developed the complete software yet, but yeah, that can be easily developed. So for example, this B candidate, he got these 3 votes as a first preference. Now we have to see whom this voter has given the second preference, because B is getting eliminated. So voter number 10, first preference was B. But if he is eliminated, his vote will not go west. His vote will go to the second preferred candidate, which is A. Similarly, serial number 12, first preferred candidate, is having a second preference to candidate F. Voter number 14 has first preference to B, but the second preference to candidate H. So these 3 votes will be distributed to those second preferred candidates. Similarly, candidate I is also getting eliminated. So we have to see candidate I, first preference voter, has given the second preference to F, second preference to C over here, and second preference to G over here. So all these votes will be distributed to those candidates. So now the elimination, after the elimination round, round 2 position will be like candidate A has got additional 1 vote. So from 16 plus 1, 17. All the 3 votes of candidate B are eliminated. Candidate C got additional 1 vote, D got nothing, E got nothing, F got 2 votes. From B and I, both the elimination, he got 1 vote each. Now candidate G got 1 vote. Candidate H also got 1 vote. Candidate I got all 3 votes eliminated, and candidate J got nothing after this elimination round. So next elimination will be for the candidate who is having a least vote in this round, which is F. So candidate round 3 will be elimination of candidate F, and similarly after this elimination of F, this is the position. Now we'll see the least votes are with candidate G and H. So those 2 candidates will also be eliminated, and we'll see the results over here after their elimination is 23 votes are with C. So now the quota is clear of 22.6. So there is excess quota of 0.4 vote. Now remember, the voting and preference system of voting works in decimals also. The 0.4 vote is also important. How this 0.4 vote will be distributed? It will be distributed again to whom? Let's see candidate C, what is the position? Candidate C got the first preference vote. He got the 16 first preference vote over here, and out of that second preference vote, we can see maximum are gone to D. So 12 out of 16 are gone to D. So we have to add 12 out of 16, 12 by 16, multiply by 0.4. So 0.3 are the additional votes goes to candidate D, 0.05 goes to candidate E, and 0.05 goes to candidate A. So this is how this work will end over here, because there are only 5 candidates now, and all the 5 are winner. The first position will be, of course, candidate C, who clears the quota. Second position, second biggest voter are having with candidate A and E. So those are the second and third positions. Fourth position, 21 votes with candidate J, and fifth position, 20.3 votes is candidate D. So this is how the calculation works, and finally all these 5 candidates are elected. So hope you got the clear idea about the preferential system of voting and election process. So I will stop sharing this, and I have explained you the ballot paper also. And please remember serial number 13 of CA Shweta Jain, and do cast your first preference vote in her favor and help her in winning the elections. Thank you.